So we're at the entrance to the Philae temple here in Aswan, getting ready to go on the tour. So we're getting ready to take the boat over to the temple of Philae. You can see just the number of little ferry boats and tour boats in here as we head from mainland Aswan out to the island. It contains the temple of Philae. The waterway we're on here is between the two dams, the high dam and the old dam. It's about 4.5 miles between the two dams. So all this was created by the building of the dams. Very unusual rock formation over here. As we motor along here, we're going along the outside edge of the temple of Philae. Obviously another video will contain the tour itself. Coming around the corner of the temple here now, where all the boats dock. Coming around the island with the temple of Philae here on the shore. There's different angles of the Philae. Back entranceway into the temple. As we work our way around the island. They took this entire island and moved this entire complex here because of the rising waters created by the dam.